Welcome back to the channel, guys. You're here with me and
Alexandra.
And we're doing another video on the VB WRX. Go ahead and tell them what you got today.
I got a front brace, a white front brace from from Import Image Racing at Subiefest.
And then we also got some new content for the R34. So stick around to figure out what we bought for that.
Dirty.
Just a little dirty.
Alright, so front bumper already came off, 6 piece that sits right here came off. They were just 2 clips right in the front. Sit somewhere around here, I think. This might be upside down.
No.
Yeah.
Down. Down.
I don't know what else to say. So, like I said earlier, there's 2 12s down here. They gotta come off.
Yeah, I was wrong. After a little bit of deliberating, we ended up taking off the bolts right here that go to the headlight and just pulling this back to tighten down these bottom bolts right back here, just to make life a little bit easier for us.
These also come in the box, and they're 210s.
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put the car back together, but while you're at it, go ahead and tell us what you think in the comments down below. And go ahead and give us a like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that little subscribe button. It doesn't take nothing but 5 seconds. It doesn't cost you any money.
So you don't need that afterwards because it doesn't fit with the brace bar, because obviously this blocks it. So it's trash.
Got her put back together. It's a lot quicker than taking it apart. So here's what the front brace looks like. Let us know what you guys think. Went to a Subaru meet last Wednesday, this past Wednesday?
Yeah.
And we ended up asking around to see what we would think about doing a 02 to 07 STI wing on the R34. The GTR wing is like $2 grand, and I'm not willing to spend that unless anybody's selling one for like less than 500 bucks. Love an STI wing on an R34 cross platform. Alright guys, let us know what you guys think about the wing on the R34 and the front brace for the VB WRX. Let us know what you guys think in the comments below. Again, at the end, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.